So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create really nice looking diagrams using Claude. And not the Claude codes or Claude cowork, directly using Claude. And it will just take some seconds. So for this, we will use Excalidraw. If you don't know Excalidraw, it's basically a canvas type diagram creator. And I really like this platform because you can just create really nice looking diagrams. You can use them in your thumbnails, in your presentations, and any kind of visuals that you need to explain something. So we will be doing this using skills on Claude. So I found a really good skill here, and you can find the link in the description. So what we're going to do is that we will click this button here and we will copy the permalink. And then we will go to this website to download this folder. It's basically download.github.io. You can go to this website and paste the link here. And then you can just click download. So once you do that, you downloaded the skill basically. And now we're going to import the skill to Claude. So for this, we go to Claude and we click customize here, then skills, and we click this plus icon here and select upload a skill. Now let's import it. And so our skill is uploaded to our Claude accounts. And now let's go back and test it. So now how you can use this is that you just press this and hit our skill. You don't necessarily have to select the skill here, but I'm just doing to make sure because it has some words to trigger the skill. Probably if you say like generate me an Excalidraw diagram, it will already be using that skill, but I just want to make sure. Let's say, hey, create a diagram to explain how to create a YouTube video. Make sure to use black background, white text, maximum 2 colors. So let's send it. Now it generally takes like 20 seconds. So let's wait a little bit. So now as you can see, it's done. And we will just click open and it will direct us to the file that Claude created. Now we will go to Excalidraw and we will click this button and hit open, load from file, and we will select this Excalidraw file that Claude generated. And now you can see what Claude did. So basically we have really good looking diagram we created in just some seconds. You can see some errors like the title. Once you double click, it's generally fixing the issue if it's like a framing issue. So you can also see this is overlapping, but you can just put it like this, or you can arrange this very easily. That's the beauty of Excalidraw. So now I have really good looking diagram that is editable. It's crazy. So now let's create another one, right? So now let's say create another one, this time make it horizontal, use white backgrounds, and also add the sub-steps. I don't know if this word exists, but let's give it a go. I'm sure it will understand under each step. Okay, let's try this one now. So as you can see, it's ready. Now let's click open again and the file is here. Let's go to Excalidraw and import it again. Let's hit open. So yeah, you can see it looks really good. I don't see any issue. Yeah, it looks really good. It's just ready to use actually. So if you want to export this, you just click this button and export image, and you can just select any format that you would like. Let's select PNG. And yeah, it's here. So that's how you can create really good looking diagrams using Claude and Excalidraw in just some seconds. If this video helped, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will try to answer all your questions. See you in the next one.